Alright guys, so we are going to be installing the Auto Pumpkin Dual DIN Android 9.0 head unit here. It is product code AA0495B. I'm going to go over all the components and just kind of give you a little run of how this starts. Obviously you have your head unit itself, which is a double DIN. It does come with a trim piece, however we'll be using a Metra piece that Crutchfield did help us to get. The first harness here is you're going to have all of your RCA outputs. You have everything from front and rear to different video portions here. You have your sub and different aux options as well. You also have your stock harness that came with the unit. We actually will be using a slightly different one to incorporate our steering wheel controls and a little bit further usability and value between this guy. It actually comes with two USB outs as well as your mic itself. So for example, if you had an Apple CarPlay or Android and you want to use that one dongle here, or you want to put in a different USB device here, maybe something for video, as this does have a lot of video capability as well. You also have your mic itself, pretty self-explanatory for your Bluetooth audio, your Bluetooth phone. You have your navigation antenna, which is right here. Pretty self-explanatory as well. And then you also have your Wi-Fi antenna. So if you had hotspot through your phone, you can actually have the head unit have internet itself. And you can maybe use some of the apps through your phone via having that Wi-Fi hotspot. Now on top of that, that's what came from Audio Pumpkin. Now to finish off the install, we also need to have our wire harnesses, our dash kit, and our antenna adapter, which all was very helpfully given by Crutchfield. We actually gave him a call and he was super helpful. He helped me with all four pieces that else I needed to make all of the functions work with this Audio Pumpkin head unit. This being the actual Metra dash kit itself, which will make it look really nice inside that interior there, versus just the trim pleat that comes with it. And then we also have the antenna adapter to get our AM and FM radio signal. We have our full wire harness, and the reason why we went with this one is because it helps you be pre-wired to actually have steering wheel control with their universal ASW C-1. Can actually incorporate into this harness here via pre-wired, so that you have everything basically plug and play. And then lastly, we have just some of our manuals here. It actually is pretty thought out and pretty well and pretty intuitive. You also have a one sheet to kind of help you with a lot of the main things that when you really are excited to kind of get it going from your Apple and your Android, so it can do both there. And we'll get started.